Hello and welcome to Judy Cooking 360. So today we're making some mushroom pate. Okay? Start with a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of olive oil. I like the combination. Now, this is my mushroom that I cut up overnight. I know it looks like a lot, but it shrinks down. So, and that's just two 8-ounce packages of baby bell mushrooms. So we're gonna put this down for a minute or so, and then we're gonna add our onions, chopped onions, and garlic. Okay. So now that this has cooked down for a bit, I'm gonna add my onion and garlic. Now this is 1 onion all chopped up and 4 cloves of garlic. It's mushrooms and walnut pate. Okay, now I'm going to add at least a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. A half a teaspoon of white pepper and a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now it's all up to you how much spices you like in this. But this dish is so versatile. We'll see. One good thing about this, the mushrooms makes its own sauce. All that water coming out of it. Now, this is 1 cup of walnuts that I put to soak overnight. I'm going to add it right in there. We'll see what we're going to do later on. But we're going to cook this whole thing down This smells so good, guys. So good. And then we're gonna put this in the food processor once it's all cooked. And then we're gonna add some cream cheese in there. Oh. It's gonna be good. Now that everything is all cooked, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna add all of this to the food processor. This is such a versatile dish, guys. You're not gonna believe how many things you can do with this. You can put this over rice. You can make tacos with this. And also, it's so delicious. Okay, so we're gonna I leave the top open because it's hot. Open it up. Kind of mix it up a little so that everything gets blended up, because you want it as smooth as you can. Yes, you're gonna have some parts that are not blended up as you would like. But you want to get it as smooth as possible. Because we're going to be adding cream cheese in here. Now, this is vegan cream cheese, plant-based cream cheese. Okay, 8 ounces of plain, actually this is almond cream cheese. I'm gonna add 1.5 packages of cream cheese in here. You'll see, because we want it to be nice and smooth. Now I'd add just a little, maybe a half a teaspoon more of all-purpose seasoning. Now this is what we're looking for. Everything all crushed up and smooth. It's not gonna be, you're still gonna have but here we go. And these are some of the ways that you can fix this. Okay? Now, you can make a sandwich out of this. Are you seeing this, guys? You can make tacos out of this. You can put this on rice. Let's get some lettuce on here. Let's put some tomatoes on here. Right, guys? There we go. You have a perfect sandwich. Out of this. Okay? You can put this, you can add this on crackers. You can add this to whatever you feel comfortable doing. And then you also can add this to your pasta. That's how versatile this dish is. Okay, there we go. Now, these are just 3 dishes that I am showing you that you can make with this. But like I said, you can put this on rice also, Add this to your potatoes. Put it on your tacos. Thanks for joining me, guys, on Judy Cooking 360. This is a lovely and delicious sandwich. Wait till you taste it, guys. Make sure to make it. Thanks for joining me once again on Judy Cooking 360.